For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Border tension between India and China continues. Ever since the violent clash broke out, both the countries are trying to pacify the situation. However, the military-level talks have not helped the countries to break the deadlock. In the latest, satellite images show military buildup of Chinese troops on disputed land. It is being reported that the Chinese troops have occupied Y Junction in Ladakh. Back home, the Congress party continued its attack on PM Modi. Congress senior party leader Kapil Sibal also said that the Chinese soldiers have occupied Y Junction in Ladakh. It is reported that the Chinese forces are 7 km from the Ladakh town of Butse on Daulat Beg Oldie Road. It is reported that the Chinese troops have set up tents and structures at patrol point number 14 in Galwan Valley, where Indian soldiers were killed. Taking cognizance of the situation, Congress leader Kapil Sibal asked as to why PM Modi is not condemning the Chinese act.
हम भी नहीं चाहते कि एक भी इंच जमीन हिंदुस्तान की चीन के कब्जे में हो. The satellite imagery analysis of the same by army generals and security experts also reflect that pre and post 6th of June, new constructions, including new bunkers and fortifications by the Chinese in Indian territory between Finger 4 and Finger 8 is made in the Pangong Tso Lake area.
Kapil Sibal further added that it was during Modi's tenure that India saw one of the biggest diplomatic failures. The Congress leader also said that the central government should take quick action to resolve the issue.
The Prime Minister to publicly condemn China. We will support the Prime Minister. Now the situation is that the Prime Minister's statement that nobody has intruded into India is being used by the Chinese.
The senior Congress leader further said that the government should promise to push those who try to capture Indian territory.
मैं चाहता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी आप देश को संबोधित करें और कहें कि हमारी मातृभूमि ने जिसने भी कब्जा किया है और किया है, हम उसको पीछे हटा के रहेंगे. हम ये वचन देते हैं. और प्रधानमंत्री जी, अगर आप ये बात कहेंगे तो सारे हिंदुस्तान की जनता, ऑपोजिशन भी उस वचन के साथ जुड़ी रहेगी.
In the meantime, it has now come to light that the Chinese are constructing helipad at Finger 4 area. In addition, there is a sudden increase of Chinese troops on the southern banks of Pangong Tso. According to sources, PLA troops are now regularly making small incursions down the ridge of Finger 3. The Chinese troops are slowly pushing the Indian army. India claims that its territory goes until the Finger 8. It is now believed that the Chinese troops have made incursions till Finger 4. According to sources, the Chinese troops have now blocked the Indian army from going beyond Finger 4. Now the Chinese troops have blocked Indian army from entering Finger 3 area. If the Indian government doesn't assert its position quickly, then things might slip out of hand.